mezuzahs or their yarmulkes or their Star David around their neck. Literally traveling from their dorm room to class in great fear. Things being said to them that are truly grotesque. Where's Joe Biden today? Joe Biden was at a fundraiser in Boston, meeting with a former chairman of J Street. J Street is an organization of self-hating Jews that oppose Israel. It's a radical, left-wing, mostly Democrat operation, where Democrats like Biden and Blinken and others like to go, where they receive standing ovations. They won't go to most of the mainstream Jewish organizations. Joe Biden couldn't find time to go to that rally with hundreds and hundreds of thousands of people, Jewish and Gentile, just a few weeks ago, before he flew off to his meeting with Communist Chinese mass
I'm
murderer
actually
Xi.
not going to In-N-Out, so not gonna be.
And he still hasn't gone, by the way, as a footnote, to Palestine, Ohio, where he doesn't give a damn. He still hasn't gone to the border before it was cleaned up, like San Francisco was cleaned up for Xi. The Democrat Party looks more and more like these third world or even first world autocratic regimes than like a party of a free people. Than like a party of a free people. Now, I want to talk a little bit about something that's very unpleasant. But before I do that, Mr. Producer, I want you folks to hear some of what was said today by these students. I want you folks to hear somewhat.
Gentlemen, and you get this.
I can barely hear that.